Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Jap Auto Agent. And this is Paul speaking, and today we've got something a little different that we don't normally supply, but going forward I'm hoping we're going to be supplying quite a lot of these in the future because I'm a big fan of the model. I do like these vehicles, and this is a Suzuki Jimny Sierra. So it's a 1.5 SUV, four-wheel drive, high and low ratio, and they come with quite a high spec. As you can see, the vehicle is grey in colour, but in Japan there seems to be two main models, and this is the higher spec of the two. You can see it's got the alloy wheels, but as you go through the spec you'll see it's got quite a high spec. The only thing these vehicles don't come with is because this vehicle's direct from the factory. As you can see, 26 kilometers. It's a 2024, so it's a brand new car. Push button start. It's got hill descent. As I said, high and low four-wheel drive, heated seats. But you'll notice there's no head unit fitted at the moment. That means that when it comes to the UK, it can be fitted with a UK head unit or whatever you want to put in it. That's up to whoever imports the vehicle. Now I provide this opportunity to buy and import these vehicles direct from Japan, working as an appointed agent. I work for a fixed commission. So the cost of this car on the road in the UK is going to be around 22,300, I should have said 22,300. Now that includes my commission, duty, VAT, shipping charges. That's everything. That's the cost of the car registered here in the UK on your drive. So there's no other extras other than road tax. I don't include road tax, and this vehicle in fact goes for the cheaper range on the road tax because it's under 1549cc. It's only 1500cc. So as you can see, this vehicle is absolutely like brand new. It's like having the car direct from the showroom. This particular model is no longer going to be supplied in the UK through this is what I understand, it's no longer going to be coming to the UK through the main dealers, Suzuki. So they are a very popular model. I mean, perfect for certain areas of the country like Wales, Scotland, anywhere where there's likely to get snow. Absolutely perfect for those parts of the world. But anybody who lives in a city centre, very easy to park, very manoeuvrable. So I think I'm a big fan of these. I like them, as you can probably tell. Very reliable. Suzuki's very good mechanically. Never hear about these having problems. So if there's anybody interested in this particular vehicle, contact me. My name's Paul. You can get me on 07989 560 505, and I'll answer any questions you've got about the process. As I say, I've been doing this for a great many years now. In fact, I've been importing cars from Japan since 1996 in total. So anybody's interested in a Suzuki Jimny such as this one, get in contact with me, and we'll get the process. We'll start the process. Or if you want a different colour. Anyhow.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@japautoagent.com.